Yo, what's up, lad? Got a new something for the Rebel. So I got new mirrors, a slimmer one instead of the circular ones, the stock ones. I'm still gonna put it upside down, so okay, let's put it on. So it came with a bunch of screws and bolts. By the way, this is from AliExpress, shipped from China. So hopefully they're all complete. Basically, it's gonna look like this. A lot slimmer. So I'm getting there to get it look like an Iron 883. We need slim mirror that you can't even see anything. Alright, I put it on. So it's a square one. It's kind of like a wide view, and this is the circle one, which is lower. So I don't know if I should put it like this or this way. Looks funny. Maybe this way. I think that's better. Okay, let's do this side. Boom! So this is what it looks like now in the front. A lot slimmer, stealthier, I guess. And POV. No way. So I wonder if I poke it out like this, would that be better? Nah, it's better when it's like that, to be honest. Yeah, it's better if it's like that. Okay, I'm gonna ride to work and see how this goes. My vision. Alright. just finished work. I did some tweaking. So basically, I couldn't move this up more. So I couldn't see, I could only see the road, but not the cars. Like probably just the shadow of the cars. And I couldn't move it up more. So what I've done is I loosened this up and move it forward. Because it's attached there. And yeah, it looks better now. I can see a lot more. But this side, I did too much. You see the dot there? If it focus. Probably move it back just a millimeter closer to that dot, because this one's too much, and also the clutch is facing down. The angle is not that good. So other than that, it's a-okay. I wouldn't recommend it though, if you're gonna use your mirror a lot, because you can't see anything at all. So that's the new look. Getting closer. All right, see you guys.